ever wished you could have an exciting new drink? Something that's inexpensive and easy to make, as well as all natural? Well, now you can. Today I'd like to talk to you about making herbal teas. Herbal teas are very simple to make. I have a small herb business called Garden Thyme Herbs. I have grown and studied herbs for over 15 years. I grow all kinds of herbs for my teas and for other uses. Herbs are very simple to grow and easy to use, and also easy to dry for later use. Making an herbal tea is a lot like making a loose leaf tea. The process is similar, but the taste is very different. You can buy herbal teas from a lot of different places. Herb shops, natural food stores, health food stores, the internet, even your grocery store. Or you can grow your own. They're very easy to grow. Some of the herbs that I grow for my teas include mints, chocolate mint, apple mint, spearmint, peppermint, pineapple mint. Then you have the lemons, lemon balm, lemon verbena, lemongrass, lemon basil, lemon thyme. There's chamomile, catnip, echinacea. The list goes on. And I assure you, they're very simple to grow. They require about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day, and they're not picky about their soil at all. They do very well in our region. You can purchase these at a lot of different places. You can buy them at the garden shops in the spring, or there's herb fairs. And you can even get them now at the shopping centers like Ace or Kroger's. A lot of people are carrying herbs now. And that's because they're very delicious and easy to grow and easy to use. Now, when you make herbal teas, they have a lot of different gadgets that you can use to make your herbal teas. There are special teapots that have strainers. There's large mesh balls that you can put a large amount of herbs in. There are small herb balls. These have been used for a long, long time. This is an antique one, as a matter of fact. Probably at least 50 years old. And you have individual herb balls for your individual teas. But you don't really need any of these things to make your herbal tea. The essentials to make an herbal tea are water, a tea kettle, or even just a pan to boil the water in, a teapot, or just a jar with a tight-fitting lid works fine. Then you need a strainer to strain it with, and of course your herbs. Now these herbs are dried, but you can also use fresh herbs. You would just use twice the amount of fresh herbs as dried. To make the tea, you boil the water. You gently boil fresh water, and then you add approximately 1 tablespoon of herb to a cup of water. If you want to make a large amount, you would use approximately 5 tablespoons of dried or 10 tablespoons of fresh. If you use fresh, you use twice the amount. Okay, now you pour the barely boiling water into the herbs. You put the lid on tightly to make sure it holds in the essential oils, keeps all the flavor in. Before you put the herb in your pot, you would gently crush it to release the flavors. Then you let it steep for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, or until you can taste it and see if it's to your liking. Now, the color of the tea will not be like a black or green tea. It'll stay light. So then you let it steep, and once it's steeped, you just strain it out, and you're all set to enjoy a nice herbal cup of tea. You can add honey, stevia, lemon, oranges, or any of your favorite sweeteners. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So in review, To make the tea, you use boiling water, you crush your herb, put it in your pot or just a jar, pour your boiling water over it, let it steep 5-10 minutes, strain it, and you're all set to drink a good cup of tea. Herbs are simple to grow, to use, and they add new flavor to your life. Herbal teas are a delicious alternative to the commercial drinks in the store. And they're healthy and good for you and easy to make. They're just your cup of tea.